Good day folks, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post on VSCO. So let's jump in. As you can see, I've downloaded the app on my mobile device, and at the bottom right in the middle there is a square icon. This is where you'll find your studio. Now what you can do on the right hand side is hit the plus button to upload some images to your studio. Now I've already got some images, so I'm going to use this image of a very cool lizard on my mic stand, and at the bottom there will be an edit button. It's the black button. You're going to tap on that. Now once you've tapped on that, you will be able to edit your image. So there's a couple presets, there's a couple tools that you can use here, and not everything is available for free. Some of the features are premium features. So let's presume that we are now complete with editing our image. We're going to go up to the top right hand side and tap on next, and over here it's quite simple. You can add a caption or a hashtag, you can add a location, and then you have the option to save this to your device. That's the first toggle switch. I'm going to leave that off, and then you have now the option to post to VSCO. You want to leave that toggle switch on and tap on post at the bottom of the page. This is now been made as a post. If this was a helpful guide, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.